In this video, I'm going to show you how to make product mockups in Canva using free built-in tools that are perfect for showcasing your brand or online shop products. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to select mockup types, apply your design, and export them for marketing or social media. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, log into your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create a Design and choose your preferred canvas size. Once your blank canvas is ready, go to Apps and search for Mockups in the search bar. Select the app that appears. Inside the Mockup section, you'll find a wide range of product mockups: shirts, mugs, hoodies, packaging, and more. Choose any product that fits your project. For this tutorial, I'll pick a simple object mockup with a transparent background so it's easier to adjust. Next, go to the Uploads tab and upload your logo or product design. Drag and drop it onto the mockup, and Canva will automatically fit it into the right area. Adjust the placement, size, and angle to make it look natural. Once your mockup looks great, click Share and select Download. Choose PNG format for the best image quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to make your own product mockup in Canva. It's easy, versatile, and perfect for promoting your designs across any platform. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.